Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your scan plan or PDF so you have a base to trace. This speeds everything up. Once imported, use the tape measure tool to set one known dimension, for example a 10 wall, and type the real value to scale the image. Make sure to immediately group or lock that image so you don't move it while tracing. This prevents accidental edits and keeps your reference accurate as you proceed. You now trace major walls using the line or rectangle tools, snapping to the scaled image. This gives you precise outlines. Once traced, apply offset to create realistic wall thickness. Try 0, 5 or 0, 75 depending on the plan, and use push/pull to extrude walls to height. When you reach doors or windows, push through and delete faces, then model openings and sills. Make sure you finish by adding dimensions, labels, and layers so the floor plan communicates clearly. Dimensions ensure measurements transfer to contractors. Once done, tidy up stray edges and reversed faces, select geometry and use entity info to flip faces if shadows or hatches look wrong. Export as 2D graphic or DXF and verify the scale in the exported file. If things go wrong, check for hidden group geometry or unlocked background images, causing mismatches and relock or rescale as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.